Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very classic makeup look. I'm going to be doing red lips and winged liner. This look is inspired by Kylie Jenner. I saw a photo on her Instagram of a makeup look that she was wearing and it was so beautiful and I thought I definitely must recreate it. So let's get started with the look. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids with a NYX primer. So I'm going to use this primer right here and just prime my eyelids. So the palette that I'll be using is one from Smashbox, and this is one of their Covershot palettes. This one that I have is their matte palette. All of the colors are matte. And the color that I'll be using is this one right here. It's kind of like just a really nice nude shade. I'm going to use that all over the lid. So the eye look that Kylie had was really simple. There wasn't much definition on the eyes. So I'm just going to use a taupey color. So this color right next to the beige color. And I'm just going to define the socket of my eye slightly just to give some definition. Taking the same taupey color, this one right here, I'm also going to run it on the lower lash line just to give some definition to the lower lash line. So for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to be using a highlighter from ModelsOwn. So this is what it looks like. And the color that I have is called Golden Sand number 1. For this look, Kylie had a lot of highlighter on the inner corners of her eyes, and that was kind of the main focus, and so was the winged liner. So now I'm just going to use that highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using a product from Maybelline. So it's their Hyper Sharp Winged Liquid Liner. And the color is black. So now moving on to mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Tarte mascara. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and I'm just going to use that in the center of my skin. So for base, I'm going to be using a product from Maybelline. I'm going to be using their new foundation that comes in a stick. It's their SuperStay multi-use foundation stick, and the color I have is Natural Beige, which is 220. contour, I'm going to be using a stick from Rimmel. So this is their new duo stick and it's called Insta Duo Contour Stick. I'm going to be using the contouring side of the stick to contour my face. So for blush, I'm going to be using this Instant Cheek Maker from Revlon, and the color that I have is called Bordeaux Glow, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it looks like this, and I'm going to be using this pinky color for my cheeks. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Rimmel stick again, and I'm going to be using the highlighting side of this stick to highlight my face. So next for powder, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Insta Fix and Matte Powder, and I'm just going to use that on the center of my face. So next, moving on to brows. So for brows, I'm going to be using this pencil here from NYX. So this is the Precision Brow Pencil, and the color that I have is black. So the two lip products I'll be using today is one from ModelsOwn and one from NYX. So the lipstick is called Perfect Red and the lip liner is called Burgundy. So starting with the lip liner first. So now moving on to the red lipstick. So there you go, this is the finished final Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look with red lips and winged liner. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I hope to see you next time.